wanna make RnB beat like this? Stay connect with me. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this beat. Set tempo to 88 BPM. You can set tempo between 110 to 120 BPM. Now I used one shot for piano and add effects like reverb, parametric EQ2, fruity chorus, hyper chorus, fruity flangus, another parametric EQ2. Add pads, and I add effects like reverb and parametric EQ2. Now I make ARP that follow chord progression and add effects like parametric EQ2, reverb, and another parametric EQ2 for automation. And one more layer of synth and I add this effects. Parametric EQ2, fruity flangus, reverb, luxverb, parametric EQ2. Add guitar melody with stock plugin and add effects like parametric EQ2, reverb. Add kick. Add hi-hats loop. Here I add Reese bass. Here I add this percussion loop. Don't forget to add FX. Here I decrease 4 decibels of 2 transition sound. Now let's listen final result. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.